Good morning students, I am your teacher, maths teacher, and today we are going to learn big and small. Now come, we will start the chapters. In this you can see big and small. In this picture small and big figures were given. 4 columns are there. Now come to me with me. We will learn in first column. You can see 2 fruits are given. Banana and cherry. You can see the difference. Yes, banana is bigger than cherry. Now in second, strawberry and brinjal. You can see the difference. Yes, brinjal is bigger than strawberry and strawberry is smaller. Now come to the third column. Grapes and apple are there. In this, the bunch of grapes is bigger than apple. Now fourth one, peas and corn are there. In corn is bigger than the peas. Now come to the second slide. Open your textbook, page number 1. In this, you can see 2 trees are given. One tree, the first tree is bigger than the smaller, the second tree. Okay. Now in second column, rabbit is smaller than the dog and dog is bigger than the rabbit. So you can see the difference also. Now come to the next slide. Below that you can see take the smaller object. In first column 2 balls are there, red ball and white and black ball. Now take the smallest object. Yes, red ball is smaller than the white one. Now come to the second one. 2 jars are there. In first jar and the second cup. Cup is smaller than the jug. Now come to the third one. 2 bicycles are there. First bicycle is bigger than the second one. So take the second one because second one is smaller than the first one. Now come to the fourth one. Butterfly is smaller than the crow. Yes. Now come to the fifth one. Squirrel is smaller than elephant. So we have to take squirrel. Now come to the sixth one. Boy is smaller than the man. So we take boy. And the last one, yellow color house is given and the white small house is given. So we have to take white house because it is small. Now come to the second page number 6. Yes, bigger and smaller size. In this you can see we have to compare in left hand side from right hand side. You can see the middle one of right side and the left side are of same size and the first one is bigger than the smaller one. Yes. Now come to below that. We have to compare with the object on the left and take the bigger object and cross the smaller object. So you can see in first column left hand side mango has given and in right hand side watermelon, apple and mango is given. So mango and mango are of same size and watermelon is bigger than apple. So take the watermelon because it is bigger and cross the apple. Now come to the second column. You can see in left hand side hammer is there and in right hand side red hammer is there. So they both are same and the second hammer is bigger than the third hammer. So we have to take the second hammer and cross the third hammer. Now come to the third. Same balloon were they given left hand side and right hand side, last one and first one. It is of same size. Blue is bigger so we have to take blue and green is smaller so we have to cross green. Now come to fish. Yellow color fish both are of same size and blue fish is bigger and line fish, yellow fish and blue fish we have to cross. because blue fish is bigger than that cross one fish. Now come to last one. Here you can see burger were given. Last burger and first burger of left hand side were same, and the middle burger is smaller, so we have to cross. And the first cake, white color cake, it is bigger than burger, so we have to tick. Now come to the second slide. In this I have shown the pictures, biggest and smallest. Now you can see animals pictures I have given: horse, donkey, hen, cow, dog, cat, pig. In this you can see which is the biggest animals. Yes, horse is the biggest animal. Now come below. In this, tortoise, donkey, cat, deer, fox, squirrel and bear is there. In this you have to circle, you have to see the smallest animal, which is tortoise. Now come to second, that is fruits chart is given. Now in this fruit chart you can see different bananas picture is there. In this circle the smallest bananas. Yes, second one is smallest, so we have to circle. Now come below that, strawberries pictures are given. In this smallest, first one is smallest strawberry, so we have to circle. Now come to third one. In these oranges, last oranges is small, so we have to circle it. Last, pear. Pear fruit is given. In this second fruit, pear is smallest, so we have to circle. Color the biggest object with red. So in this first column, rabbit, horse, fox, cat, these animals were given. So in this biggest animal is horse, so we have to color with red. Now come below. Gift wrap is there. In this 4 types of gift wraps are there. The biggest one we have to color, so we have to color the second one. Now come to the next slide. Here we have to color the smallest object with color blue. Now you can see the first, third one, butterfly is smallest, and in second also fish, second fish is smallest, so I have colored with blue color. Now come to the next slide. Differentiate. Big, bigger, biggest. So you can see the owl is big, but dog is bigger than owl, so it is bigger. Now elephant is biggest than dog, so it is written here like big, bigger, biggest. Now come below. You can see that ball is there, football is there. Football is small, that basketball, it is smaller, and the tiniest ball, it is smallest. So small, smaller, smallest. Homework. Kindly do page number 1, 2, 3 of your textbook. Right now I explained. Do it with neat and clear handwriting carefully. So class, here I end my class. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you class.